Yo, guys. Yo, what's up? How's everybody? Um, I just decided to just record this, and I hope everybody can hear me. I never record the screen and whatnot, but hey, I just thought that let me just do this, man, cause I just wanna explain what I'm doing right here. Um, so I'm looking at USD, JPY, and um, my analysis on this thing is that I'm in favors for buyers because it seems that the dollar is actually about to get stronger. The value of the dollar is gonna get stronger, so the pound is gonna be weaker. So that's why I have analysis that I shared on my Telegram saying that I'm looking to sell the GBP USD. So and if the ones against the all the pairs against the dollar are gonna drop. So that means the other ones that are dominating the dollar are gonna rise. Yeah, the pound devalues and the what is it? The dollar increases in value. Yeah. Um, what else? Kinda motivate. Oh, and I don't wanna let be recording. Yeah. Mm, so I'm looking at okay, price has been falling. Okay, wait. Before me saying that, I just want to show you guys how I actually analyze from a weekly time frame of it. Got really one or how I catch these trades for real. The ones that I've caught, especially. Let me see on the live, not just practicing or whatnot. I'm just gonna say on the live. The patience that I have actually when it comes to doing this. This is a weekly candlestick and it's dropping, bro. Yeah. So since the price went down, really, let me say we had a low, really, we had our ultimate high right there. I can show it on the weekly. I mean, this is our highest point right here. So the heights are on go 161.951. So the thing is, price has been it's more like a consolidation, but bruh, we had our first lower high right here. Q&A price here, lower high. But really high low though. There's levels I can see. There's three levels though, but I wouldn't say this thing is on a downtrend. That's the thing. Overall, man, can I share it on a long term perspective? Overall, like on a monthly candlestick, let's see, we are bullish on this market, bruh. And the thing is, okay, the monthly candlestick, I share, no, it bullish. So, meaning what? Should I be thinking that it has potential to actually break and go higher? Since the value of the dollar is about to increase, looking at the chart, because on a 3 month basis, I can show it's on the 3 months, still that a bullish, but that is not creating highs yet. So I could see what can happen here. I don't know what might happen, bro. Cause we haven't broken this high though. Oh, we did. Yeah, no, but if we look at like USD JPY right now on a 3 months basis, but like this is crazy faded, but it's just looking at it though, you know. I analyze and I developed my own strategy with trading. So don't mind me just looking at until like from this year and looking backwards to now we're at 1986 now. It's a long time ago, bro. Trading biz has been around for a long damn time, bro. Trading been around for a long damn time. Yeah. Look at the trades right here. This thing really creepy, like I don't know. Should I say it's a head and shoulder type of pattern though? I've already biased it in here, fine. Yeah, this is the price that was exchanged alive. Don't tell it. Buys and sells. Buy. Look at this, bro. Okay, look at this. You see, it didn't make a lower low. This like she really did. Can't take issue with the right here. This way kind of hard. Yeah. This thing high is a lower low. It's a lower high, but we don't have a lower low. I don't know what it is. A candlestick E. I don't know. That's the thing, happy. Would we be dropping very like USD GP? I don't know, but look at the. That's like I checked the 3 month candlestick. It's bullish. Hey, bro, like you gotta be careful with these things, bro. That's why I gotta be patient. That's how I'm trying to be patient. Cause I can actually look at this thing, what's happening right now. I'm trying to look at this thing of what's been happening. Okay, this year. For real. That's what I'm saying. We touched these lows, bro. This level right here is significant, bro. This 147.47. We can actually buy at that price like every time it touches that because it bought 3 times at that price. It's just that at this third point, it bought in a very strong reversal. When you look at it on a weekly, right here, it bought at the bodies of these buying points and funnel. It bought at the wick. Get wick at the body at the would say ye. Body. You see this body, this body, this body. But like, it's all about like a price action, like see where the buyers are repeated and where the sellers are repeated, like the repetition of buys and the repetition of selling. Our price really repeats itself, bro. You just have to wait for the levels. But looking at structure, bro. Okay, right now structure has been going up, and it's been going up as a corrective manner because we haven't broken like the other lower highs, even though we broke previous lower highs now. Okay, there's a few previous low right here. We broke it high right there. Retested this resistance. You see that price been retesting this. Oh, like for weeks. Like look at these small candlesticks, bro. It's a resistance. So now that's why since it's been looking for a price to buy, but it bought from here. Ah, bro, like damn. It's only in this week when price was pushed down, so and then it came back. And those are the buys that you gotta catch. This kind of retests. Would you know? As I was saying, yo, um, what I'm looking at here, okay, it's on a weekly buy. Cause when I'm looking at structure, if I'm looking for a buy trade, I'm looking for structures that's gonna move like this, like straight up, like straight up. This is the kind of structure that I'm preparing for. Right, it's like a very simple structure. Go to the daily. Alright, bro, price gotta like operate in that kind of way somehow. If I'm looking for these buys on a daily, keep on holding. You see how it operated right here. So like price broke, and retested. Okay, I don't know. Let's say twice at the same spot. Yeah, yeah, twice. Don't count this one. Let's see here. So this one is higher. So the major lows is right here. So price retested the major lows after breaking. So this right here. Yeah. See these crosses? I could saw under the rich cross strategy. That's how it came about. Or when price crosses, like a bar, before price crosses, then the crossing here, that's where you make the profits. That's what I'm saying, rich cross. Yeah. The strategy. Yeah. Oof. So these are the highs I'm targeting for real on this market right here for real. Cause this is a support area. Things I'm looking to buy cause this is a support area when I looked at price bought here, then broke. Breaking this structure right here. That's how you get the buy right here. That's how you get the buy right here. If like go previously. But it's cause it much higher today. But I like analyzing this thing, bro. So it broke out. You can see the simple strategy, the structure right here. Price broke out, created a higher high, higher low, created a higher high right here. But then it created a lower high, a lower low. I mean, then a lower high came in. That's why price. Yeah, I got to the areas of interest right here. Then it dropped. That's why I was selling. But now we are buying. Price reversed, man. Since like for real, price reversed since I think late April. Yeah, the 21st to 22nd of April. Price been on a buy on USD JPY. But it's a correct. And I keep saying like it's still a correctional buy. Like your price is not yet reversing for like long term buys yet. Nah. It's not. Because if it was gonna be buying long term, you gotta break these highs. That 161.951. Yeah, we gotta break those kind of highs to know that this is really a reversal. It's still on a correctional buy. It can sell from here. The news can come out and price can still drop. Price can sell from here. So I don't want to I want to stay on the safe side and wait for this breakout still. This breakout is like a more confirmation that we on a bullish like trend. That's when I'll be looking to like buy some more. But right now I can buy less. I can actually enter buy like a buy less trade for real. Like I don't want to like this one is an in and out kind of trade. I like in and out kind of trade. If I could go on a smaller time frame, so I think I'm looking for buys. Price is like breaking to the outside, but now like it's reversing. So as long as it doesn't break underneath this line and to retest and continue for selling opportunities, then we're looking for buying opportunities here. So now I don't know, I just seemed to be interested in like also trading USD JPY because I did say on my channel that I'm analyzing two markets. So I'm just gonna show people how I trade, but I'm gonna post like Gadi profits later, or like maybe I can record it lonely, making profits, making loss, like get recorded this thing for real. Show like I can actually really trade. I'm bullish right now, bro. Right now, if I'm looking at a 4 hour and whatever, we are very, very, very bullish, bro. Because as you know, like I can actually read structure very well. So, you know, we still have a higher low on that day. On this market, price was like actually ranging. Let me like analyze this chart for you guys and see why I'm seeing a bullish market from, let's say, okay, let's go to here in it, Buffett, from here. Okay, this is a low for it since the 10th of July this year, 2025. So price like was buying from these lows, but I think it only bought twice at least it bought twice at this level. That's why I put my horizontal line there. It bought twice right here. I'd say this side it bought got a very like a liquidative like wick. This was also like a liquidity grab for real, where price like went lower and kind of like put fear on them traders who are like not patient. Until traders like me had to learn the hard way, man. So my point is that price. Let me show you like once I want why I get into it, it's gonna be bullish. Price it buyile bafete from here. It bought from here, and then a buyer use. So that's why I like a price. As long as body a thing, this body is higher than this one. This one is still low. So this is actually a major low. Take it in mind. This one is major. So the thing is, as long as price is a retested the major low, but like guys, the cap body, I think it doesn't break the major low, then we don't have a price that we don't have a breakout. That yeah, we don't like we breaking structure, we about to shift in structure. As long as it doesn't make price doesn't break a major low or a major high, then we don't have a break of structure for real. For price to continue selling and whatnot. So that's why we on a reversal move, but we don't know how long are we gonna reverse. Are we gonna reverse long term, or that's the thing. I'll say the body is higher, so you can see right here the bodies are higher as well from these ones. So these are minor lows. This one as well. As long as the body is higher, I will consider it as a higher low. That's why I believe it's that. I consider as a higher low. This is a higher low. Even though it may be lower than these levels right here, you may think it are broke stretch and not. This still a high. And this is support area right here. I mean, there's a resistance area right here. We became a support. So now we have another major support. So that's why price actually reversed from there for the second time, because this now is our major low right here. If I could analyze it quick, show you actually. Yeah, this is our major low. Major low. Like it's a new major low, I'd say. Yo, so price broke. I just want to show you the structure since I added that. So we have the shift right here. So price, this is a daily candlestick. So price shifted. The structure ended up shifting since price created a higher low. So since we had a lower high right here and a lower low, price shifted and creating a higher high. That's the thing. Price shifted and created a higher high right here, and price coming was ended up selling from 1, 2, 3. We had 3 bearish candlesticks retesting this previous resistance that was broken for price to create higher highs, closing above the previous body of the highs. This is just the wick, the body, previous body. Now we have a new body high, a new body high. I don't know. I think I might just create my new lingo. I don't know, bro. I just don't know. Yeah. Okay, we have a higher high, a higher low. I'm just seeing. I'm just sharing this here. Higher low, and we have like a morning star kind of formation right here. It is like a morning star formation. These 3 candlesticks, right? This formation right here. That's a morning star. And a morning star is a bullish pattern. It's a candlestick pattern. So I don't know how long I have to wait. Should I have to wait like tomorrow again? To Wednesday, because I think I'm kind of like waiting for another morning star formation just like this. and then to continue going, creating higher highs, you know. But this is my target, like 226 pips on it, or risk to reward 10.27. Mm, that's a good risk reward. So, hey, man, I mean, this is like a, you know how trading is like, but I need to be patient. That's it. I need to be very, very, very patient. Yeah, I'm actually am interested in like in trading USD JPY, and I'm looking for buys, and I'm interested in trading USD CHF as well. So I'll be waiting for more confirmations before taking this buy. I'll be waiting for more confirmations. I want price to actually shift, so it shows me that we're actually gonna be buying. So once the shift starts to happen, that's when I'll be preparing for buys. But at the right time, at the right time, that's when the rich cross strategy comes in. But the time is the timing. You see this cross, the market moving. You see that it's going down. You caught the sell or you caught the buy. But that cross of candlesticks after candlestick after candlestick, that's what it's all about. The rich cross. Catch it. We bullish. We are absolutely bullish. I don't believe price can break here and retest and come to these lows. I don't. If that happens, then we're looking for sales. Okay, let me go to a different market. I'm really good one if I I'm a little break. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let me analyze G with it too. Really want to go G on the tank. You wanna paint it issue with that. G you never fit. Take a lallet in a lallet never fit. As you can see, this is the higher time frame right now. And I'm looking for selling opportunities, bro. Hey, bro, we had a massive, massive, massive price creating lower lows, breaking these lows right, higher lows right here. So now we had this lower low, and price decided to retest for about 2 days to create our new lower high. So it took 2 days for that lower retest to be complete until before we started descending again, and we descended for about another 2 days. So lower low, lower high, lower low. So now we have a lower low, and the body closed below. Like I always say, na ke sheba di body tsa di candlestick go di tswetseneng ke yone ntho e ke shebang. So that's how I confirm how like this price is gonna be selling cause market structure. Nothing in price never created like new higher highs. We never broke this high right here. We broke it like right here. Yeah, this right here. $1.37. So like, if you could look at the body $1.37 still. 1.37, 414. Yeah, that's the price. You that was the first time I wanted to get high. Ooh, that was the first time, bro. Oh. I'm gonna stop the video, guys. I'll talk to you another time, but these are my analysis. I'm gonna wait for like confirmations on this pair. I'm gonna wait for confirmations. Same way I'm waiting for confirmations for USD JPY and USD CHF. Those are the three pairs that I'm looking forward to this week. I actually analyze what the gold, what in a gold the future. Motho santse ana push a small account, so I give a go buy Sega for real. Claim the confirmation mo temo. Ke tlo emela the confirmation, but I'm targeting those lows. Imagine 298 pips. I never felt negatively the trades, and my kind of style of holding. You grow into this, but this is what I'm looking forward to, guys. So I'll send an update about how things will go, but I'm looking for price to sell, because price, whenever it is above this level, it's buying, and whenever it's below, it is selling. At this level right here, where I have this horizontal, blue horizontal, like it is. Artist rectangle.